Here is how to find a general energy reversal. So what you want to do is you're going to muscle test. So get your knees soft, standing upright like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put your hand above your head like so your palm facing down. And then you're going to see if you go forwards or backwards. I'm going forwards, so that is aligned. And then you're going to put your palm facing up like this way. I can feel myself going backwards, and you're going to go backwards for that, and that is aligned. Let me know when you test this in the comments what you get. What you want to get is, think of your body like a battery, and so you want to get, when your hand is facing downwards on the top of your head, going forwards, and upwards like that, going backwards, that means you're aligned. If you get anything else, then this is you have misaligned polarity and you have a general energy reversal. So if you have that, this is how you switch it. So what I want to do is take a nice deep breath, breathing in for 4, breathing out for 4, and then just start to tap your thymus for about 20 times. Just keep that breath, your heart into coherence. Then move into tapping your belly. Just do that about 20 times. And then move into doing the karate chop. Again, do that about 20 times. Breathing in for 4, breathing out for 4. Then when you've done that, I'm going to invite you just to swipe across your forehead. Like that, you're doing it 3 times, and then cross over again 3 times, and then test again, and to see if you go forwards with your palm down and backwards with your palm up. Let me know what you get in the comments. So that is how you can very, very quickly test to see you have a general energy reversal, and this is where your energy has switched, where maybe you've experienced a shock, something's happened during the day, and so you can just check in to see if this has switched your energy around and to do those techniques. And I'm going to be diving in next week into specific energy reversals. So these happen where they have come from a trauma or experience that has happened in your life where you haven't been able to let them go, and they can show up and impact your sales, your cash flow, your marketing, holding money, all the things that are related to business. So we're going to dive into the depth of that next week in the Energetic Edge. Would love to have you with us. Do come and join us. If you would like to come and join us and you haven't got the details yet, it's a free, you get a free spot, it's on the house from me. Then comment EDGE below, and then we'll pop over the details and make sure you've got all the things. Anyway, I hope that helps. Let me know if you've got any questions in relation to polarity and general energy reversals below, and I will circle back and answer them. Take care of them for you. Lots of love.